Good day friends. In this lecture, we will see the operation of a class D chopper. Class D chopper is a DC to DC converter and this chopper is a 2-quadrant chopper. It operates in first and the fourth quadrants. This is a circuit of the class D chopper. Here we have two choppers CH1 and CH2 and two diodes D1 and D2. This chopper operates in first quadrant as well as the fourth quadrant. Like the class A, B, C and C choppers, we can see the operation of this class D chopper also based on two conditions. One, when CH1 and CH2 are on, and the other condition when CH1 and CH2 are off. So let us see the operation here. When chopper 1 and 2 are turned on simultaneously, the current flow in the circuit is as shown here, from the source through CH1, load CH2 back to the source. When the choppers CH1 and CH2 are off, the current still flows in the same direction in the load but through D2 and D1. So here the output voltage becomes negative. The output voltage becomes negative, whereas in the first case the output voltage is positive. So when CH1 and CH2 are on, the first quadrant operation is achieved. When CH1 and CH2 are off, the fourth quadrant operation is achieved. The average output voltage can be either positive or negative based on the time of operation of the switches. When CH1 and CH2 are on for a longer time than the off time, then the average output voltage would be positive, and if the on time is lesser, then the average output voltage would be negative, but the current remains the same, like positive in both the cases. Let us see the waveform. When CH1 and CH2 are on for longer time, then the output voltage is going to be positive. Longer time than the off time, the output voltage is going to be positive, average output voltage. The current is going to be positive. But when the chopper 1, chopper 2 operating time is on time is lesser than the off time, when the on time of the choppers 1 and 2 are less than the off time, then the average output voltage becomes negative. Whereas in the previous case, when the chopper 1, 2 on time was more than the off time, we got a current which was positive, but the voltage, average output voltage was positive. Hope this explains the operation of a class D chopper. Thank you.